Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a birthday haul. I'm gonna be showing you everything that I got for my birthday. I'm also gonna be doing a try on because I got some clothes and a few pairs of shoes and some sunglasses. I forget what else I got, but I'm gonna be showing you in just a few minutes. So my birthday was on June 13th, which was also me and my husband's anniversary because we got married on my birthday, which I don't recommend to anybody because you're trying to celebrate your birthday, but you're also having to celebrate your anniversary. So it's kind of like a weird mixture, but at the same time, it's also a blessing because it's two really important, amazing days of your life, like the day you were born and the day you got married, but I still don't recommend it. A fun fact about my birthday and my anniversary is I was actually born on Friday the 13th and I got married on Friday the 13th, which I think is pretty cool. I really didn't realize that till my mom pointed it out to me this year. So yeah, thanks Mom, that's awesome. Anyways, so the gifts I'm gonna be showing you is a mixture of stuff from Alan, my husband, if you didn't know, my mom, and from my nephew and his wife. I was actually putting off making this video until I got my Bath & Body Works package in, because my mom ordered me some Bath & Body Works stuff, but it never came in. It was actually supposed to come in yesterday, and then I checked the tracking and it literally had never shipped. So I was like, you know what? Forget about it. Just do your little birthday haul. It's okay. They don't need to see the little Bath & Body Works. Anyways, let's get started. Like I said, I'm going to show you everything and then we're gonna do a little try on too. Okay, so I got my prezzies here on the bed so it would be easier to just grab and show you. So I'm gonna start off with this side, which is what my mom got me, and also my nephew and his wife. So actually, my nephew and his wife, well, she got me this outfit, but they also surprised me on my birthday, like literally just showed up at my door. It was the sweetest thing ever. I cried. I loved it so much. But they showed up at my door with a card, with a little cactus and some flowers. I don't have a video of that, and the heat wave that hit Houston actually ruined my flowers. I'm hoping they're gonna come back though, so I still got them outside with the rest of my flowers, but I'll have to just like insert a picture of the flowers and the cactus here on here because yeah. But first off, they did get me this card. They thought they were being so funny because I'm old. Okay, so they got me that card, they got me the flowers, they got me the cactus, the little cactus, it's so adorable. I've never owned one of those before, so that's pretty cool. And then she got me this black tank top, and these black yogis. So yeah, she also got me these yoga pants, which I love because they have pockets on both sides. So then I got two cards from my mother-in-law, one for my birthday and one for my anniversary, and she also sent me some money. She never forgets that it's my birthday and our anniversary, so she always sends me like a little double gift, which is so sweet. Okay, so next up is the gifts I got from my mama. Like I said, I had a Bath & Body Works on the way, but I don't know where it's at. So the first thing is a new set of sheets. These are gray, which matches my room perfect. So I got some sheets, which I actually really wanted because I needed a new set of sheets. Next up, I got a new pop socket. I really wanted a new pop socket because a while back I got a new phone, then I got a new phone case, and the only pop socket I had was this black one from Gerard Cosmetics. So I took my fingernail polish and I painted it baby pink to match, right? But I don't know if it's because I've had this pop socket so long. I actually was using it on my old phone and my old phone case, and the glue started messing up, so every once in a while this one pops off. So I really wanted a new one, so I got this one. Oh, there it is. See how pretty that is? Gorgeous. And it matches my phone case. I haven't put it on there yet because I wanted to do my birthday haul, but that's gonna be going on there soon. Next up from Ulta, I got a new concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I got the shade Light 2 Vanilla. I think it matches me. I did put it on under my eyes today. Hopefully it matches me, but I got that. And then, I don't know if y'all know this, I've probably said it before, but at Ulta and Sephora, and I know a lot of other places do this as well, but I haven't really signed up for all the other places, but I have for Ulta and Sephora, you can sign up for birthday rewards, so every birthday you get a free gift. So from Ulta, this was the choice they had. I don't know if it's showing, okay. It's the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. This is what it looks like. That's a nice little gift. While I'm on the topic of that, let's go ahead and show the Sephora gift. So Sephora for the month of June, I don't know if this is for every month, but for this month, they had 3 different choices. They had this, which I chose, which is the Tatcha, I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's a rice wash soft cream cleanser, a dewy skin cream, and then also some kind of little liquid skin canvas. But look how adorable this is. I've never tried like the skincare from that brand before, and I always see people talking about it, but it's kind of pricey. So I'm glad I finally got to get some to try out. So this is the face wash, this is the lotion, and then this is the liquid silk canvas. I guess it's a primer. They had 2 other choices though. One was like maybe like a deep conditioning hair set, and then the other one was a powder and an eyeshadow stick. I can't think of the name. Oh, Laura Mercier. I think it was Laura Mercier. It was like a little set of Laura Mercier. So pretty good stuff for free and for your birthday. It's fun to get to go there and be like, wanted to see if I can get my birthday gift. Next up, I got these 2 shirts. This one is my absolute favorite. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the details of it. And it looks super cute on. And then I also got this little shirt. Then I got a new pair of tennis shoes. I do a lot of walking, so I'm like constantly in my tennis shoes. They needed to be replaced, let's just say that. So I got a new pair of tennis shoes, and I love these. These are so comfortable. They are gray and white. I really needed some new walking shoes, so I'm so happy my mom got me these. Yeah, that's what they look like. Okay, now I have to put my little mess away over here, and then I'm gonna show you everything that Alan got me. Okay, so first off, since they are sitting right on top, he got me these super cute little socks with a little lace bow at the top. They're absolutely adorable. So yeah, he got me these. Next up, he got me this dress, which I actually wore on my birthday. So if you see my birthday pictures, you'll see me in this. I'm still gonna put this on for the try on portion of the video, but yeah, if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you've probably already seen this dress. It's really cute white lace. And yeah, I wore it on my birthday already. So next up, he got me like these kind of mix and match pieces. So I'm gonna show you them, but like they can be all worn like, you know, together, mix and match. So first up, we've got this blue Henley bodysuit. Oh no, I love bodysuits. Ah. So we've got this blue one, the little buttons in the front. It is long sleeve. It's super thin, super soft though, and I can wear this during the spring, summer, fall, or winter. So we got a blue one. Well, that's a darker blue one. Then we got a lighter blue one. The one I just showed you had silver buttons. These one have like more of a gray button, but they're also bodysuit, long sleeve, thin and soft. Then next up, he got me a pink one, which is just like the first one. So it's literally the same thing, long sleeve bodysuit. And then he got me this white bodysuit, which ties at the top, so you can make like a little bow, or you can wear it like that. This one's just a tank top kind of bodysuit. So he got me some shorts, but one of them didn't end up fitting. I might not show that on the try on, and that was actually these ones. They didn't fit, they were a little too big. But they're still really cute. They're like got the fringe at the bottom. I love them, but they just didn't end up working for me. Next up, he got me these blue and white striped. Love the fringe on these as well, on the top and the bottom, and the tears. Then he got me another pair of white shorts, and these ones actually ended up fitting, which I'm really happy about. Then next up, he got me a new pair of sunglasses. I should have took the tag off, but I kept it on there because I'm just like that. Next up, I got some goodies from Victoria's Secret. They were having an amazing sale. I don't know if it's still going on, but I win. Oh, by the way, I did get 2 undergarment items, which I'm not gonna show. But I got this set, which is amazing. It's actually so amazing, we went back and got more. It's so good. This is the Victoria's Secret Pink Lavender Cloud. But I also got a set of my favorite, which is the Victoria's Secret Warm and Cozy. Got the lotion and the body spray for both scents. Next up, got some new shoes. This is my first ever pair of Toms. They're called Toms, but I actually call them Bobs, which is why I had to look at the back and see what it was actually called, because Alan has a pair of these and I call them Bobs. Every time I'm just like, are you gonna wear your bobs today? Like, I always call his Toms bobs. And I don't think they're called that. But anyways, I got a pair of Toms. These are blue and white striped, which I love. Next up, we got another pair of flats, but these are like a pointy toe and they have a super cute bow. And these are like a cream stripe and they're super fringy. I'm also gonna be doing a try on of the shoes. So then I have 2 pairs of heels. This is one of them. How cute are these? It's got that cork bottom. It's got this braided part at the bottom here. This is kind of like a nudie pinkish color. And then the front here is all these rhinestones. These are gorgeous. By the way, I love heels, but I don't wear them that often because of my leg. Because in 2013, I was in a car accident. I broke almost all of my ribs, my wrist, one of these fingers, my tibia, and my kneecap. I had 2 surgeries on my leg, and I also have plates and pins inside my leg. So I can't wear a lot of different styles of heels, but I can always wear wedges. They're super comfortable and they don't hurt my leg at all. But the other kind of heels, girl. So those are really comfortable. I can wear them, which I'm really happy about. But check these out. These are white distressed denim. It's got like that big bow on the side. This is the front, which also has a bow. And then this is the inner part. And the heel has like distressed denim on it. Like the whole thing is white distressed denim, and they are just absolutely adorable. They're super comfortable and I love them. I almost forgot, Alan did get me 2 more things. And lastly, he got me a new purse. This is a Kate Spade. And it's like this soft quilty material. And it's black and I love it because, I love it. Anyways, it's got like this really big inside zipper here. Or it's like on the outside anyway. So it's got this part to put things. And then it's got a big inner part here. A zipper, 2 pockets for like my phone and stuff like that. And then he also got me this, which I picked out. I seen this and it reminded me of my bean bags, and I love that it has this little bow. I just think it's the cutest makeup purse ever. I've been using the same makeup purse for like 4 years now, I think. I don't know, but it was really getting old and I wanted a new one. So I seen this at the store one day and I was like, that is so cute. I love the black and white stripe. It reminds me of my bean bags and my balcony, my patio. But I didn't get it that day. I didn't get it and I was like, you know what? I'll just go back for it. I'll make Alan take me back because I was out shopping with my mom. So I made Alan take me back and I was so happy it was still there. Because it was like the only one just sitting there, and this had been days past. I was like, oh Lord, please let that bag still be there because I want it so bad. It was there and I got it. And I love the size of it because it fits everything that I want to carry in there, all my makeup. Actually, I could put a lot more in there. So he got me this to go on my purse. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and do the clothing try on. I'm also going to do a shoe try on, I think. How's that gonna work? How am I gonna film the shoe try on? That's just weird. Anyway, I made a huge mess in here and I'm not trying these on for y'all. I'm just not. They're way too cute to be showing y'all. Okay, so the first thing I am showing you here is the dress that I got for my birthday, which is also the dress I wore on my birthday. So this is the first outfit. I got on that one-piece bodysuit that has the little ties on the side. And then I paired it with the blue and white distressed shorts. Next up, I have paired I think this is the baby blue bodysuit with the white shorts. This was the other blue bodysuit. I just paired it back up with the blue and white striped shorts because the other pair of shorts I had were too big for me, so. And then lastly, I'm pairing up the baby pink with the white shorts. And I'm cutting the tag off these sunglasses because my sunglasses are baby pink, so they match really cute with this shirt. This hair is getting wild today, y'all. Next up is one of the shirts from my mama, which I got paired with the shorts Alan got me. And then this was the other one that my mom got me. I hate that I can't see myself in my viewfinder because I have astigmatism, so I can't see far. So whenever I'm doing try-ons, I have to literally just wing it and be like, boop, 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 because I have no clue what I look like, so. So then this was the last outfit. Probably can't see the separation of them because it's black on black. But anyways, this is the pants with the pockets on each side. Oh, I love that. And then this is the tank top that old Tisha girl got me. So my nephew's wife's name is actually Taya, but I call her Tisha. Sometimes I call her Patricia, and sometimes I call her a bunch of other names. So if you ever hear me talking about Taya, Tisha, Patricia, it's all the same person. Anyways, yeah, she got me this little outfit along with the flowers and the cactus and the card. Okay, so now it's time for a shoe try on. So this is the first pair. My blue and white striped Toms. Aren't they so cute? I love them, love them, love them. These are so comfortable. Next up is the little pointy toe flats. The cream stripe. These are kind of a little roomy on me, but when I was little, my mom used to put paper at the end of my shoe so it would fit better. So that's actually what I'm going to be doing with these. And also on the left foot, the bow lays down, while on the right foot, it kind of sticks up. So if anyone has any advice on either how to make it lay down or just how to make it stay, I would appreciate it. Let me know. But yeah, these are my little bow flats, pointy toe bow flats. Next up is my tennis shoes. I just put one on. Didn't feel like putting them both on. But yeah, these are super cute and super comfortable. Oh, I just realized that bottom part has like an ombre effect. Ooh, I love it. So next up is these ones. The blush with the rhinestones. Aren't these adorable? Of all days, my feet had to be like swollen and super veiny as I'm doing my little shoe try on. Ain't that how it goes though? Anyway, yeah, here's what these look like. And next up is the distressed white denim. How cute are these? How cute are these? I'm actually gonna go stand up in front of the mirror to show you what they look like a full side view, because they are so adorable. Seriously. Look at them. Aren't they the cutest? Boop, boop, boop. Anyways, I've got a great mess to clean up here now. Awesome. I'm actually gonna lay some of this out to just show you kind of an overall image of it. Okay, so here's an overall view of everything that Alan got me. I included in the pair of shorts that didn't fit me, so yeah. So now I got everything laid out together. Over there was what Alan had got me, and then over here is everything my mom got me, minus the Bath & Body Works stuff. So the 2 shirts, pop socket, shoes, sheets, and the NARS makeup, the outfit from Tisha, card from Tisha and Andrew and Tutu, and from my mother-in-law. And that's everything together. Oh, and except for the freebies I got from Sephora and Ulta. But yeah, anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was my birthday / anniversary haul, plus a quick little try on. If you like this video, give it a like. And also leave me some comments down below, because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I would also love to hear what is your favorite thing that I got for my birthday this year. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.